Mouse makes words. Mouse is busy, mouse is fast. Grabbing letters as he runs past. He finds new ways to make a rhyme by switching letters every time. Find the word hat. Off goes the H. Caught in the C. Yikes! Now it is cat. Find the word fan. Blow away the F. Move in a V. Honk! Now it is van. Find the word net. Scoop up the N. Push in a P. Awk! Now it is pet. Find the word 10. Take away the T. Hole in an H. Cluck! Now it is hen. Find the word wig. Wheel away the W. Along comes a P. Oink! Now it is pig. Find the word pin. Pop goes the P. Carry in a W. Wow! Now it is win. Find the word mop. Wash away the M. Spin in a T. Wee! Now it is top. Find the word pot. Dig up the P. Roll in a C. Good night. Now it is caught. Find the word cup. Wave goodbye to C. In runs a P. Arf! Now it is pup. Find the word bug. Shoo away the B. Here comes an H. Hooray! Now it is hug. Mouse is tired. His work is done. But moving letters is so much fun. Can you keep playing this rhyming game? Make more words that end the same. Jack and Jill and Big Dog Bill. Jack and Jill and Big Dog Bill go up, up, up the hill. Pull, Bill, says Jill. At the top, they stop. Go, Bill, say Jack and Jill. So Jack and Jill and Big Dog Bill go down, down, down the hill. Bump, plop, they all stop. More, more, says Jack. Jack and Jill and Big Dog Bill go up, up, up the hill. Push, Bill, says Jill. At the top, they stop. Go, Bill, says Jill. Jack and Jill and Big Dog Bill go down, down, down the hill. Bump, plop, they all stop. More, says Jack. More, says Jill. Woof! Oh no, say Jack and Jill. Bill will not go. Jack and Jill and Big Dog Bill go up, up, up the hill. Push, Jack, says Jill. Pull, Jill, says Jack. At the top, they stop. Woof! Jack and Jill and Big Dog Bill go down, down, down the hill. Bump, plop, they all stop. No more hill, say Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill and Big Dog Bill go home. Sleepy Dog. Chapter 1. Sleepy Dog. Time for bed, sleepyhead. Sleepy, sleepy, up to bed. Head on pillow, nose under covers. Cat on bed. Kiss me, kiss me good night. Turn on the moon, turn off the light. Sleepy, sleepy, sweet dreams tonight. Chapter 2. Dreaming. I dream I am eating. I dream I am jumping. I dream I am running. Someone is chasing me. Help! Now I am awake. I need a drink of water. Sleepy, sleepy, back to bed. Chapter 3. The clock. Tick, 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 tick. The clock says, tick, 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 tick. The clock shouts, ring, 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 wake up. Turn off the moon, turn off the clock. Turn on the sun, turn on the light. Good morning, cats. Time to play. Good morning, little dog. City cats, country cats. City cats, city cats. Big cats, small cats. Short cats, tall cats. Gray cats, white cats, black as night cats. All of them are city cats. City cats all like to play. They like to play in a city way. City cats leap. City cats creep. City cats play and go to sleep. They sleep on mats. They sleep in cats. They sleep and dream of city rats. Country cats, country cats. Big cats, small cats. Short cats, tall cats. Gray cats, white cats. Black as night cats. All of them are country cats. Country cats all like to play. They like to play in a country way. Country cats leap. Country cats creep. Country cats play and go to sleep. They sleep on mats. They sleep in hats. They sleep and dream of country rats. Good night, city cats. Good night, country cats. Good night, all cats. The Shy Little Kitten. One mama cat, 6 little kittens, black and white. One has stripes. Down the ladder, jump, jump, jump. Onto the grass, roll, roll, roll. The little striped kitten is very shy. Pop, a chubby mole. They go for a walk. Green frog, big mouse. The mole and the kitten laugh and laugh. Bounce, bounce, a shaggy puppy. Where is the mama cat? The shaggy puppy knows. Woof, woof, a red squirrel. Chee, chee, chee. Down the hill, hop, 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 across the brook. Onto the farm. Mama cat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little kittens. Picnic time on the farm. Seeds for the chickens and ducks. Carrots for the rabbits. Mash for the pigs. Berries and milk for the little kittens. Uh-oh. Plop, plop. Splash! All the animals laugh and laugh. Best day ever! Cooking with the cat. Look, look, the cat wants to cook. Look, a book. The cat has a cookbook. We need a 10. Which 10 will win? The thin tin is best. Put back the rest. We need ham and jam. Lots and lots of pots. We spot the pot. Hot shot into the pot. A pot shot, not so hot. We take a seat. We start to beat. No, no, no. We do not eat the treat we beat. Do not slop the glob on top. Stop! Stop! Stop that glob! Mop up that glob! Do not drop the mop and glob. We heat the treat. A spot on the pot. Got the pot. Ding! They are done. A neat seat to eat a treat. We eat and eat and eat and eat. This treat cannot be beat.